Hello. Just got a little video today. It's something a little bit different. I've ordered some Sugar and Sloth goodies from, well, I got them from Vinted, but the Sugar and Sloth are amazing brand. They make some really cool stuff. To give you a bit of an idea of the sort of stuff, here's some things I already own. A bunch of little sort of notebooks that they do. Doing stuff is tough, but you are tougher. A little hedgehog on a slug. Vision board for my week. My word of the week, 3 things I'll achieve, I'm grateful for, a quote to keep in mind this week, and then you've got this little how did it go, and even the worst one just says I'll try again next week, so it's quite positive. Little mindful turtles, 20-day mindfulness challenge. It's got a few different bits in there. Scary thing I want to do, why it scares me, what steps do I need to take, how I will reward myself. Yes, I did it. Remember, you can do hard things because you are smart and you are nice. So, yeah, it's all very positive stuff. Got night sky mindfulness. Write down your thoughts without judging them. Remember, they are thoughts, not facts. Yeah, and this little worry pond. And write your worries in there, and you're only allowed to worry about them during your designated worry time. For now, leave your mind free to concentrate on non-worrying, fun or important things. So, yep, and a few other things I've got from them. These little enamel pin badges. Just say no to everything. Lol, I hate people. Bad vibes only. So, back up on my shelf. So, I'll open this one first. Feels like there might be something extra in there to what I'm expecting. This one, watermelon paper. Yeah, back to this one. Actually, no, let's do this one first. That one feels more exciting. Sorry, I'll take the best way to get into it. So it is a set of 4 coasters. And look how cute they are. They've got a nice smooth finish, they'll be easy to wipe clean. Little frog with his butt. Penguin butt. Is this some sort of llama corn or something? And a little panda. So mark on it. So that is my new set of coasters. A bit different to my current coaster, which is an old tile. Yeah, let me know which is your favourite. I can't decide. I quite like this one. He looks a bit cheeky. But, oh, this one's winking. Oh, I love them all. They're incredibly cute. And now we'll get stuck into this. Oh, there's definitely some extra stuff in here. Oh, I hope this makes you smile. Oh, already smiling. The lady that was selling this on Vinted as well, I favourited her item and she told me that she was open to offers. I said I can't offer anything reasonable at the moment. I've just added the product to my favourites so I can see if it's still there at the end of the month, and she offered me a really low price, so she said kindness was more important than money, which is just incredibly sweet. I'm struggling with tissue paper. beyond grateful. Thank you so much for your order. I hope you makes it as happy as your order made me. Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, stickers. Oh, little cat. Cowboy killer. Quite good. I've been playing Red Dead recently. Red Dead Redemption 2. So, little sweetie. Ghost and some little rainbow bats. Oh, they're really nice. I like stickers. I really like stickers. Putting them away and keep them all nice. What's this? I don't recognise a lot of these sweets. I don't think these are English sweets. Zorb's bubblegum flavour, chewy. Mini chewy candies. That'd be nice. Oh, little Hershey's Kisses. All these are like jelly sweets or something, but what have we got? I'm trying to work out what this one is. Oh, is this some sort of ghoul or zombie? And that's a pumpkin. And this is a gruesome looking eye. Is that like some sort of gel middle maybe? Oh, another kiss. What's this? Oh, not seen that before. Witch's Brew Kit Kat. Crisp wafer in marshmallow flavoured cream. Oh, that's definitely not. I'm trying to read the. So it's Hershey, not Nestle. I guess these must be American sweets or something. Oh, that's like a raspberry flavoured boiled sweet. Isn't that lovely? Oh, little extra goodies. I think this is extra as well. So I have to write a very good review for this lady. Send her a message saying thank you. So it's like just random strangers doing really kind things. Oh, what on earth is all this? I should have a little look, shouldn't I? Put the sweets to one side. And the rubbish. Oh, more stickers. Oh, it's a bee. I love anything with bees. I've got a website where I review indie games. It's called Indie Hive, so got a bit of a bee theme. Hey, it's all going to be okay. Oh, never forget how beautiful your soul is. Isn't that lovely? Oh, happy day. Check up on your friends. Oh, see if I can fit them in there with. What have we got here? Watermelon niacinamide, multi-purpose serum, sleeping face mask. That's like a Sakura extract, seaweed essence, hyaluronic acid, and other nourishing ingredients. I put that on before bed, I guess. No idea what this is. Can't read it. Oh, compressed towel. So I guess you put that in some water and it expands maybe. Oh, little scrunchy. Hair clip or clip for something. These like little blending brushes for makeup. file, brush for, I guess, eyebrows or eyelashes or something. Another sleeping mask, cherry blossom. Tea mask. Can't read too much about that. Luxury rose tea mask. Makeup remover lotion, grapefruit. Oh, I love anything grapefruit. Oh, what a lovely little unexpected pouch of goodies. I'm just going to put all these away. And then we get into the thing I actually purchased, which is the Sugar and Sloth item. These little stickers on everything. Oh, bubble wrap, keeping it nice and safe. Might need some scissors. Let's there we go. There we go. It's my anxiety toolkit. It's a nice little tin. And we have got little bracelet band. There's I am safe. And it's got all these little cute critters on it. Little frog. Got a pen. It says I am calm. Little sticker, trying my best. Keep going postcard. No, celebrate the small things postcard. It's just got some, what does this say? And they do subscription boxes as well. But that's that one, and this stuff all kind of goes together. Well, asking for help makes me stronger. It's okay to be proud of me. I make the world better by being in it. I will rest, but I won't ever give up. I don't owe anyone perfection. It doesn't get easier, but I get stronger. I am worthy of love just as I am. And then there's some feeling anxious, ground yourself by counting colours, look for all the circles, find imperfections on your phone case, visualise your favourite place in epic detail. That's that one. And there's this key ring, which is it's metal, it's not plastic. And I think, does that open up? Yeah, so you can take them all off. You've got a little, that's very soft, that's nice, fluffy ball. And this goes with these two things. So we've got the 5-4-3-2-1 grounding method. Helps manage anxiety and strong feelings. Allow you to step away from negative thoughts. Use it when you feel your anxiety start to rise. In your mind or out loud, list. So you list 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. This acts as a pattern interrupt for your anxiety and calms down your racing thoughts. This kit is designed as a visual reminder to help you through this grounding technique wherever you are. So then you've got here 5 things you can see. These are wooden, very nice little, these cute creatures on. 5 things you can see, 4 things you can touch, 3 things you can hear, 2 things you can smell, and 1 thing you can taste. And then it comes with this little book here, so you can write them down if you need to as well. And I just thought that was really cool. It's a sort of grounding technique I'm familiar with, but having these sort of visual aids to go with it makes it feel a bit more doable, and I think it can help in the moment when you're feeling particularly overwhelmed by thoughts or feelings. So to have something tangible to help you work through those techniques. So yeah, that is my Sugar and Sloth haul. So just to, I won't get all the freebies here, but just use some of this lovely stuff and the badges. So we've got a whole heap of Sugar and Sloth stuff. So yeah, maybe check it out, or just let me know what you think of all this kind of stuff in the comments. Yeah, I'm very happy. I have to start making some use of some of this stuff. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I will be back again fairly soon with an Arty Fartober prompt. So, toodle pip, bye.